Twisted Negroni, 25% ABV. Strawberry and rosemary infused gin, a blend of sweet vermouths with some bitters. Hi, I'm Michael Chen, award-winning mixologist and designer of LAIBA Cocktails. This is how we serve a Twisted Negroni. This cocktail is best served in a rocks glass. First, we add the ice. We recommend storing the cocktail at room temperature or pre-chilled. You'll want to shake it up really well before serving it. This ensures all the ingredients are combined and the drink has a perfect dilution. You'll want to stir it a few times to chill it some more. We recommend using an orange twist and a fresh sprig of rosemary for the garnish. Give it a clap and put it in the drink. And there you have it, the Twisted Negroni.